Hello lads, this is my workshop from outside, but we go in and take a look on the workshop from the inside. Sorry, I long time not posted video about the workshops, ATC, you know, because I take action from everything of this, metalworking. But I wanna do this job again, so let's take a look what is in this workshop left. Large lathe, this is in working condition, drill press is working condition, horizontal borer is not in working condition, vertical keyway machine is working condition. Maho is not working condition. 6012 working condition. Toolings ATC, you know. Oh, Bernatsky, it's still working condition. This is my friend's lathe, EJ 2.0 ITVF. This is lathe 1 key 62. I don't remember correctly model. V or A. It does not important. One of my lathes. Another lathe. On this lathe worked one old man. He died 2 years ago. And that was one of the reasons why I stopped metalworking like a business, you know. This is my short workshop walk around. Oh, this is my tool grinder. This is in working condition, but I cover it for keeping away from the dust, ATC, you know. Here is another one. This is not mine, but it is living here. Stovogorsk, joke. And sadly, Dainichi, disassembled condition, and all projects has stopped on this machine because I'm not here anymore for a long time. But I want to run this machine. I want it get in running condition. Drill press, another one. It's working condition. Nice. Half of the machines is working condition. That's pretty nice. My the best I can, cheap, good and fast, but choose two. So it looks for now this workshop. Somebody would like to say it's abandoned. Okay, thank you for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.